If you want to change the home screen wallpaper on the Motorola Edge 70, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we're gonna go to Settings, and if we go to Settings, you should be able to find the Personalize option. Now we can tap on the current wallpaper that we have on the lock screen in order to proceed to the Wallpaper section. And in here now you can simply choose whichever wallpaper you want to set for the home screen. It can be one of the photos that you have, one of the images that you have in the gallery. And this can be also the image studio, of course, or created images. Now, if you decide to go for created images, then of course over here we can also tap on more wallpapers in order to actually find them. So let's say I'm gonna choose one of these wallpapers as an example. Let's say, for example, maybe this one. And in here, as you can see, we have the preview in the lock screen, home screen. It doesn't matter that much, but we can tap on the preview in order to then also adjust the photo. The wallpaper, so you can move left and right to zoom in and zoom out, and we can tap on this check in the upper right corner. Now the most important part is that when you are about to set the wallpaper, then of course you just want to make sure that the home screen is selected. If you want to change it only for the home screen, then remember to not choose the lock screen. And there is also a possibility then you will have you will have three buttons where you can choose lock screen, home screen, or both. So of course naturally you want to choose home screen. And after that, the wallpaper should be updated. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.